filter in and take your seats. We would like to get started. Excellent. All right. For 2 decades, the William B. Joyner Memorial Lecture Series has brought together earthquake scientists and earthquake engineers so that we can share research, discuss its practical applications, and find new ways to accomplish our collective goal of protecting public safety. Tom Hanks worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this series possible. He dreamed up the concept, helped secure the funding to launch it, and served as its steward in the years that followed. Tom died earlier this spring, and I know from all the tributes and memories that poured out online that he is dearly missed by his friends and his former colleagues. Before we introduce our esteemed 2024 lecturer tonight, I'd like to invite Anne-Marie Balté to the stage to say a few words about Tom.
All right, thank you, Heather. So many of us here at SSA have a story, a remembrance, or a scientific quip about Tom Hanks. And I'm just one of the many seismologists, geologists, and engineers who were touched by his generosity of spirit and scientific exuberance. So I'm really honored to be here this evening to talk about Tom. Tom was a scientific colleague, a friend, and a supporter to so many, and here and in the larger community. He was a towering figure in seismology, geology, and engineering. His work on ground motion modeling and